Hello guys, this is Harshvardhan. Welcome back to my channel Harsha CVS. Guys, before starting the video, please hit the like button. Okay, guys, now we are going to study about the important object in the study of the CRO called the delay line. Now we will study the why we need to use a delay line, what is the necessity of the delay line in the CRO. Okay, we will understand in detail. Let us consider in general our CRO has two type of systems. First one is a vertical deflection system. Okay, vertical deflection system in general consists of a vertical amplifier along with the delay line. Now let us consider that there is no delay line in the CRO. Okay, let us assume. And horizontal deflection system. In the horizontal deflection system, what are the components that we are having? We are having finally three components. First one is a trigger pulse circuit, second one sweep generator, third one horizontal amplifier. These three are the components that is present in the horizontal deflection system. First one, trigger pulse circuit, second one sweep generator, and third one horizontal amplifier. Okay, from this we can clearly observe that the trigger pulse circuit act as a intermediate stage between the vertical amplifier and horizontal deflection system. Yes, we can clearly see. Assume that I have applied a signal of a sinusoidal input. Okay, the signal is traveled from the vertical amplifier to the trigger pulse circuit. From the trigger pulse circuit it is traveled to the sweep generator. From the sweep generator it is traveled to the horizontal amplifier. From the horizontal amplifier it is given to the horizontal deflection plates. Okay, assume that whole process has taken the time of 1 second. How much time the whole process has taken? Whole process has taken the time of 1 second. Now, from the vertical amplifier, assume that there is no delay line. Now, what will happen? My signal is directly given to the vertical deflection plate. Here there is no components, so it takes quite lesser time than the horizontal deflection system. Assume that it has taken a time of 0.5 seconds. Now what will happen? Now there is a loss of signal. How our signal will lost? See, at my signal will take completely of 1 second to reach horizontal deflection plate. At 0.5 seconds, my sweep generator has not started. Sweep generator should, in order for the perfect working of the CRO, our sweep generator should start first. When the sweep generator has started first, after starting of the sweep generator, if my vertical signal has approached the vertical deflection plate, then there is a perfect execution or perfect display of my input signal. Otherwise, what will happen? Now we will see. See from this diagram, as consider this point as a starting point of the starting time of the sweep generator. Okay, suppose that there is no delay line. Now what will happen? My input signal has started before starting of the sweep generator. Now what will happen? Sweep generator has not started, but my input signal has started. Until the sweep generator has started, my signal will be lost. Okay, this part is completely lost. Okay, then what is the displayed signal on the CRO? Only this part of signal is displayed. Okay, this part of signal is completely lost. Why it has been lost? It has lost because there is the sweep generator has not started. Okay, Now let us consider the case number 2. In the case number 2, we will observe that assume that it is a graph of a input signal and it is a graph of a sweep generator. Now let us consider. Now consider it is the time where my sweep generator will start. In order to perfect a display of my input signal, I need to start my signal after the sweep generator start. Now what I will do? It is the time where my sweep generator will start. Now I will start my signal from here. Okay, I will start my signal from here. So there is no loss of signal at this space. There is no signal. So there is no loss of the signal. Okay, hope you understand how I can prevent the loss of signal by using the delay circuit. This shifting of my input signal is only possible by the delayed circuit. Okay, this is the process by which I can delay my input signal such that there is no loss of the input signal on the CRO. Okay, now we will see. Now my input signal is come from here. Now what will happen? My input signal is passed through the sweep generator and it is reached through the horizontal deflection plate. Now if there is no delay circuit, my input signal has reached fastly to the vertical deflection plate. But due to delay circuit, my signal is delayed by the time of 200 nanoseconds and reached finally to the vertical deflection plate. Now what will happen? We will see. See carefully. Assume that at this point the trigger has picked the trigger pulse at the time of a T0. My sweep generator has started and it is given to horizontal amplifier and it is given to the horizontal deflection plate. This whole process has taken the time of 80 nanoseconds. So from this point to this point at the reach of a horizontal deflection plate, my system has taken a total time of T0 plus 80 seconds. Okay, now assume that there is a delay. Now what will happen? At this point my signal has a time of T0. My vertical deflection system took the complete time of T0 plus 200 seconds in order to reach vertical amplifier. Okay, now think once, which signal is coming first? My horizontal deflection signal is coming first. It is indicating that my sweep generator is starting first. After starting of a sweep generator at the delay of 120 nanoseconds, my vertical signal is coming to the vertical deflection. So there is no loss of signal. So we can prevent the loss of the signal. Okay. The same points I have written. The diagram shows when the delay line is not used, initial part of the signal is lost and part of signal is displayed. To counteract this disadvantage, signal not applied directly to vertical plates but passes through the delay line circuit. Okay. Now it gives time for a sweep to start horizontal plate before signal reaches the vertical plate. Trigger pulse is picked. Assume it is picked at the time of a T0 and passes through main amplifier. The whole horizontal deflection will take a time of a T0 plus 80 seconds. And due to delay line, my total vertical deflection plate will take a time of a T0 plus 200 nanoseconds. So from this we can clearly see that at this point the time is T0 plus 80 nanoseconds. My signal has started at T0 plus 200 nanoseconds. Which signal has came first? My sweep generator has started first such that there is no loss of the signal. Okay guys, this is the concept of the delay line. If you really liked my video, please hit the like button and please share among your friends. But if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Okay, thank you guys.